Fly lights are an essential part of pest control. So what are fly lights, and how do they work? Flies will be attracted to the light. They'll fly towards the light and they'll get stuck on the glue board inside of the trap. So there's two things to keep in mind when you're dealing with fly traps. You have fly light glue boards and fly light bulbs. Fly light glue boards and bulbs should be replaced periodically to be most effective in pest control. The first thing we're going to talk about are fly light glue boards. You should change your glue boards at least once a month. For smaller models, you may need to change them every 2 to 3 weeks. It will just depend on the model that you're using, and you'll need to follow the instructions provided. You should periodically inspect these, and when the glue boards are full of pests, you'll go ahead and replace them. If they're not full of pests yet, you'll replace the glue boards in the time intervals that I mentioned. Next, we're going to talk about fly light bulbs. We recommend replacing UV light bulbs every 6 months for optimal fly attraction, but at least once per year. The UV light in a fly bulb can diminish or become weaker over time, even though this isn't visible to the human eye. A weaker bulb won't attract as many flies. Since fly populations are heaviest in the spring, it's a great idea to change fly bulbs in the spring months. Proper fly light placement is also very critical in pest protection. You may notice that when you see flies, they're normally congregating near a light source. This is how the fly lights work. They'll be attracted to the light source in the fly light, and they'll congregate in that area. You don't want to place your fly lights where there is a competing light source. That way they're only attracted to the light in the fly light. So where should fly lights be placed indoors? They should be placed 2 to 5 feet up on a wall next to exterior doors and windows, but not where you could attract flies from outside. Some fly light models you can place near food prep areas, but you will not place above the food prep area. Both natural daylight and artificial light will have an effect on flies, so you want to be sure that you're placing your fly lights away from those competing light sources. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And be sure to check out our other DIY videos. If you have any questions or concerns, just let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you.